You like that, huh? Max, look at mommy. Hello. Look at mommy. Oh, see you later. Bye. Bye, Max. Mommy. Yes. Max. Say puppy. Puppy. Say puppy. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Puppy. Say woof, woof. Wee. Maxie, what does the puppy say? Max, what does the puppy say? Max. Max, where's Daddy? Oh, no, you can't open that. No, no, no. You're not allowed to open the dishwasher. Close the dishwasher. What are you doing? No. Are you going to make a salad? No. Okay, you can close that too. That's dangerous. All those things are going to fall out. Yeah. Close that, please. Close that, please. Okay, next. Which one's next? No? No, leave that in there. Leave that in there. Yeah. Max, where's the cookies? Max. Max, say cookie. Max, where's the cookies? Max. Yeah, are there cookies in there? Max, look. No, please don't do that. Cookie. You want a cookie? No, there's no cookies in there. Here's a cookie, honey. Max. Look. Maxie. Here's the cookies. Look. Max. Look. Cookie. Cookie. Can you say cookie? Oh, you can eat cookies. Mm. Where are you going with your cookie? Did you eat that? Is it gone? Look at mommy. Max. Where are you going? See you later. Bye. Max. Where are you going? Come back. Max. What? You're back to your room. Oh, get the ball. Okay, come over here. Show me your ball. Max, bring the ball here. Bring it here. Cookie. Oh, you want another cookie? Come on, let's get the cookies. Cookies. Get the cookies. Cookies. Mmm. Cookies, huh? Cookies. Come this way. Come this way. No, you're not allowed to go there. No. Max, no. Mom, there's no cookies there. Come on. Cookie. Daddy, yes, Daddy's coming. Where's the cookies? Cookie. You want a cookie? Can you say cookie? Maxie, can you say cookie? Say cookie. No, be careful. be careful. No, no. Max, where are you going? Come back.